What's up YouTube? How you guys doing today? Hope everybody's having a wonderful day out there. I've got a box. I bought this box off eBay, and what it is basically is 50 random comics. It's kind of like a mystery box. 50 random comics. They're not bag and boarded by any means because this is the box. It is heavy though. So I don't know what's in here. It's all random. And I just got this because I was curious to see what comics I could get. Now, with it being off eBay, you know you're not going to get anything worth a lot of money, for sure. But I thought it would be fun. So, hopefully this isn't a super long video, but I'm going to go through the comics here, and I hope you guys enjoy. So, without further ado, we'll break on in here and see which 50 comics that I got. This could be, the posting said anything from, I think it's all, it might be all Marvel, to be honest with you. But it wasn't, I was just looking for something kind of fun to do. And we will see what exactly they sent. So I figured I'd bust this open on camera and see exactly what they sent, and they bubble wrapped them, so that's pretty cool. So bubble wrap, and we'll see. Alrighty, there may be a mixture in here. I'm not real sure. I forget the listing, but I think I only paid like total with shipping like $18, so I mean it wasn't really anything phenomenal that I spent. So I'm not looking for anything unusual or anything worth anything. I just wanted to see what I could get out of like a mystery. Looks like they did bag them though, so that's cool. Alright, let's see what we can get out of here. There we go. Alright. So no, they are a mixture. It looks like a different, like Boom and Independence and other stuff. So, alright, get my trusty chair here flipped around. Alright, so let's begin. Alright, looks like okay, they bagged like bunches of them at a time, so let's see here. First, looks like we got Black Market 1 of 4, and it is a Boom Studio. So, okay. And some of these are probably not going to know, but hey, it's fun. Alright, looks like we got a Poison Elves 1. Alright, let's see here. Quality Comics. This must be another independent one. It's a United Kingdom, it says. Interesting. Slain the Berserker. And if you guys see any that you know, hit me up. Let me know. Because some of these, like I said, a lot of these I'm really not going to know. But again, I just wanted to do it for the aspect of mystery. So, alright. Next we got a Spotlights comic. And it looks like Samurai Squirrel, Master of the Sword. Da da da. That looks like a goofy one there. So, alrighty. And let's see, we got a Cross Gen 1, Sion. Yeah, Sion. Looks like a lot of these are independent. Oh, we have a Dark Horse comic here that I know. I do know this one. And I've had these before. This is ElfQuest. Alright. Do the first part there. Alright. Some of these are individually bagged. We got Silent Dragon. Another Silent Dragon, number 2. That one was number 5 of 6. This one's number 2. And let's see, alright. We got Pretty Deadly. It's the Image one. Image Comics, Pretty Deadly. And we have another Image comic called 3. Looks like Sparta type comic book. Alright. Looks like we got some more Image comics coming up here. We have Dark Engine number 1. That's a weird looking one. And again, I know none of these are going to be worth anything, guys, but and it's not so much value I'm looking at, it's just what kind of variety I could get and what kind of stuff they might throw in here. Alright, we got a Top Cow. We have Blood Infinity Top Cow, and this is a number 1 as well. So very cool that they threw in some number 1s there. Definitely don't know what they are, but you know. Alright, next we have an Image Wildstorm number 2. Alright, let's see here. We've got a, I can't even say that one. A Pirate number 1. Black Mass Comics. Alright, so we got a Dynamite comic here called The Devilers, I think that's called. Yeah, the Devilers, or I know some of my horror people would like that. Alright. Then we got, let's see here. Oh, that's a pretty cool cover. To Hell You Ride. Alright, Dark Horse number 1 of 5. To Hell You Ride. Interesting. And then we got another To Hell You Ride number 2 of 5. Dun-dun. That looks pretty interesting. I like the covers of them. Pretty interesting. Alright, let's see. And we got another To Hell You Ride number 3 of 5. So almost a full set there. Cool. Alright, looks like we got a couple Marvel here coming up. We have, looks like a Captain America number 388. Not in the best of shape, but still pretty decent. Alrighty. Got a DC comic here. They got Superman in Action Comics. Looks like number 40. Alright, let's see here. We got another Superman in Action Comics number 689. Ooh, come on, man. Very cool. Alright, another Superman in Action Comics number 731. And again, these are just random comics that they threw in. It was basically they sold a mystery box of 50 comics. Say, here's 50 comics. Don't know what you're gonna get, but which I thought was pretty cool. Oh, now this is pretty cool. I got a Superman in Action Comics number 687. I believe this was The Last Son of Krypton. Krypton is back. Green cover. Very cool. Alrighty. Let's see. We've got another DC. We have Eclipso, The Case of the Seventh Sacrament. Alright. Next we have another Eclipso number 15, Judgment Day. That other one was number 8. We have a Green Lantern Mosaic number 4. Alright, let's see here. Another Green Lantern Mosaic number 3. And a Green Lantern Mosaic number 1. And let's see, a Fantastic Four number 329. That's the Marvel comic. Now, believe it or not, that'll be my first Fantastic Four comic that I have. I know. Don't hate me down below. Alrighty. Okay. We have another Fantastic Four. Looks like number 489 roughly. Or something like that. It's a weird looking one. Alright, let's see here. Alright, there. Okay. We have another Fantastic Four here, and it is June of 95, and it is number 401. Very cool. Alright. Another Fantastic Four, number 531. I do like Fantastic Four though. I just never got into collecting them for some reason. So it's very cool to get those. Alright, we have a DC Flash, Blue Devil, and Catwoman, number 3 of 12. Looks like this one might have been a showcase series where they had 3 of them. Interesting. And we have a Cyborg, Blue Devil, and Catwoman. This is number 2 of that run. Alright, we have a Secret Invasion Thunderbolts 124. Good old Abe Blanken right on the front there, and somebody else. Alright, we have a Batman Toyman number 2 of 4. So many different variations of Batman comics out there. I couldn't keep up with them. Would never be able to keep up with them all. Another Batman Toyman number 3 of 4. Alright, another Batman Toyman. This is number 1 of 4. Alright. On to more. Alright, looks like we got the Flash number 21. And the... Ooh, get off of there. Alright, the Flash number 31. And I'm not even keeping count of how many comics are in here, because this is just going to be a ridiculously long video, as it is. And it looks like we got a... What's that? Yeah, that's a G.I. Joe. I'll keep that one in there. Let's see, G.I. Joe official movie adaptation, The Rise of Cobra, issue number 1. It's a pretty cool cover with Snake Eyes right on the front there. I love me some G.I. Joe, so that's pretty cool. Alright, then we have a Justice League United, the New 52. That's on the back, number 390, number 5. And there's 2 written on there, but that's on the bag. I just checked. So, very cool. It has a Canadian leaf in it. Alright, we got Batman Toyman 404, so that completes that run. So I got a full run of that Batman Toyman ones. And I've already got this one, but that's cool. I got Batman Earth 1. This is the freebie one. You got a free comic book day. I already have that. Alright. Then I've got Secret Invasion, The Incredible Hercules 120. Alright, let's see here. And then we got a one-shot. And this is a pretty I guess you could call it a pretty provocative cover, but it's not real bad. It's issue number 0. It's Grimm Fairy Tales, and it's an Angel one-shot. Pretty neat. I like that cover. Any guy probably would. Alrighty, let's see here. We got another Incredible Hercules, number 118. Another one, which is 119. Yep, another Incredible Hercules, number 117. And 116. Alright. And a couple comics that I probably could care less about because I'm not a big Star Trek fan. But that's okay. Looks like there's only 2 in here. So, looks like we got Star Trek. And then on the back is Star Trek The Next Generation number 5. So, it looks like that's all the comics, guys. 50 random comics. I'm glad you stuck around if you have to the end of this video. It was just something I wanted to do, something to try out. I mean, I paid a total of about $18 for that box. So, yeah, all in all, I mean, I knew I wasn't going to get anything insanely great, but I mean, all in all, it's pretty good. I got a few comics I don't know any of, and some pretty cool looking, especially on the cover. So, definitely going to check them out. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Did you like that type of box? Has anybody else tried something like that? And let me know down in the comments. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for more content, and I'll see you guys real soon. Have a good one. Bye-bye.